Welcome to another edition of Tech Tips from Tech Trek. My name is Gregory Michaels, and I am the owner of Tech Trek Computer Services in Broomfield, Colorado. Today we're going to be discussing add-ons as they relate to troubleshooting problems with Internet Explorer. So you might ask yourself, what is an add-on and why do I care? Well, add-ons are simply a software program that can extend the functionality of another software program like Internet Explorer. So add-ons basically add functionality into Explorer that it can't do normally. One of the most popular or favorite add-ons and a required add-on nowadays is Adobe Flash Player, which enables Internet Explorer to play videos and animations and other types of media-rich activities. It facilitates that in Explorer, and it's almost required to have Adobe Flash Player as an add-on. That's an example of a good add-on. There are also bad add-ons. They could be in the form of toolbars that you see showing up that you have no idea where they came from, like the Shop at Home toolbar or Map Galaxy toolbar. They could be behind the scenes. You don't even see them, and they may cause your Explorer browser to stop responding or maybe not render the web page correctly. Or they can also be in there as a search add-on utility that hijacks your searches and redirects you to different places, or perhaps even give you a lot of pop-ups you don't want to see and want to stop. So the way to troubleshoot that is to run Explorer without add-ons, and if the problem goes away, then you know it's an add-on. So how do you do that? We go to the start and all programs, accessories, system tools, and you'll see here there's actually an option to run Internet Explorer with no add-ons. I'm going to select that, and we get a warning message letting us know we've disabled all the add-ons, and then we can go about our business and see if the problem has gone away. And that's fine. If the problem's gone, however, what do we do next? How do we know which add-on we need to deal with to permanently solve the problem? Well, you need to find the list of add-ons, and where is that list? It's under Tools, Internet Options. This is one way to get there, or this another way is this little gear icon upper right. It's also Tools, Internet Options, and there's actually a tab here, Programs, and then a button, Manage Add-ons. And here we can see all the add-ons, which are also sometimes referred to as extensions. And here they are all listed, and you can see if they are enabled or disabled. So if you're having trouble with an add-on, you can come in here and start disabling and enabling and narrow it down to the add-on that's causing the problem. Now, a lot of times I can figure out which one it might be because I'm used to seeing these lists, and I kind of know which ones are good and which ones are potentially bad. But you can just always click on one, and like this one's enabled. I can say disable, and it's disabled. But we're going to leave this one enabled. You can also check here search providers, and you can see Bing and Google here are the two, and I like Google, so I'm actually going to set Google as my default. But sometimes you'll see many other search engines here that are usually malware that you picked up, like My Web Search or Conduit Search Engine or Ask.com. Various other search engines here that may be playing games with you when you're trying to search for things and sending you off to different places. So disabling add-ons is pretty straightforward. and that could solve your problem. And that's it for this edition. We're calling this part 1. In part 2, we're going to show you how to reset Internet Explorer to its default settings, which is another technique you would want to use to troubleshoot problems you might be having with Explorer. I'm going to go here quickly to Chrome, since this problem can extend to other browsers, and just show you quickly where you might find that in Chrome. A very similar thing. You come up here to the upper right to the settings, and you go here to settings and extensions, and here we have 3 extensions in Chrome, and these all look fine, so we're not going to do anything to them, but you can disable them or remove them here with the trash can. So add-ons, first place to look if you're having trouble, and if that doesn't solve your problem, then you want to go to part 2 of this series about resetting Explorer to its default settings.